Imagine a motorcycle that doesn't just get you where you're going, but makes every mile feel like an adventure. A bike that's simple enough for beginners, rugged enough for backcountry trails, and affordable enough that you won't overthink hitting that "buy now" button. Today, we're breaking down a machine that's been quietly winning the hearts of riders all over the world, the 2026 Yamaha TW200. Whether you're a weekend explorer or someone who just wants a fun, reliable ride, stick around because this might just be the bike you've been searching for. Welcome back to Bike Blaze Pro, your go-to destination for honest motorcycle breakdowns, reviews, and riding insights. On this channel, we bring you everything from budget cruisers to dual adventure machines, and in today's episode, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most beloved dual sport bikes of all time, the 2026 Yamaha TW200. Engaging feature overview. Right out of the gate, the 2026 Yamaha TW200 sticks to the timeless formula that has made it a cult classic. Powered by a 196 cubic centimeters air-cooled, SOHC 4-stroke single-cylinder engine, this bike prioritizes torque and ease of use over outright power, making it ideal for both novice riders and seasoned adventurers who appreciate simplicity. The engine pairs with a smooth shifting 5-speed transmission and manual clutch, which Yamaha has kept refined and reliable. This combo is not designed to blow your socks off with speed, but to provide predictable, enjoyable performance on a wide variety of surfaces, from paved city streets to dirt and gravel trails. A standout characteristic of the TW200 is its terrain-conquering fat tires. With a 130/8018 front and a 180/8014 rear, these big balloon tires give the bike exceptional traction on loose surfaces and make low-speed handling feel almost effortless. This isn't just a design choice. It's what gives the TW200 its distinctive look and makes it so confidence-inspiring. Off-road. CyclesportYamaha.com. The chassis and suspension are equally purpose-built with a telescopic front fork offering around 6.3 inches of travel, and a single rear shock with about 5.9 inches of travel, designed to soak up bumps and rough terrain without overwhelming the rider. These features contribute to a ride that's comfortable enough for long days in the saddle yet rugged enough to tackle uneven trails without breaking your rhythm. Perhaps one of the most universally praised aspects of the TW200 is its low seat height at about 31.1 inches, which makes it incredibly approachable for riders of all sizes. Whether you're just getting your confidence up on two wheels or you're a seasoned rider looking for something easy and fun, you can plant both feet on the ground with confidence, a feature many larger dual sports simply can't offer. Specifications, price, range, top speed, design, and performance. Let's talk numbers. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 typically starts at around $4,999 before destination charges and dealer fees. This pricing puts it in a sweet spot, affordable for most riders while still delivering genuine utility and solid build quality from a trusted Motorcycles on AutoTrader. Fuel economy is another highlight. With an estimated combined 78 miles per gallon, about 33 kilometers per liter, the TW200 delivers exceptional economy, making it a practical choice for daily commuting, weekend trips, or extended trail rides where gas stations are few and far between. Factor in its 1.8-gallon, around 6.8-liter, fuel tank, and you've got a bike that's economical without sacrificing adventure potential. As for performance, this bike isn't about record-breaking speed, but rather balanced usability. The TW200 can comfortably cruise at moderate speeds, with a real-world top speed hovering in the neighborhood of 110 km per hour, around 68 to 73 miles per hour, for rural roads, backroads, and light highway use. While that might not satisfy speed demons, it fits perfectly with the bike's intended dual sport character. The design of the TW200 stays true to its roots, rugged, unpretentious, and built to last. The wide fenders and classic dual sport silhouette are functional as well as stylish, while the instrumentation is straightforward and easy to read. You won't find flashy electronics here, but what you do get is simplicity, reliability, and a bike that feels alive on every twist of the throttle. Comparison with competitors. When we compare the 2026 Yamaha TW200 to similar bikes in its class, two names often come up: the Suzuki Van 200 and the Honda CRF 300L. The Van 200 shares a similar retro dual vibe with fat tires and relaxed performance, but it typically costs more and doesn't stand out much in fuel economy or torque delivery. The Honda CRF 300L, on the other hand, leans more towards serious off-road capability with more power and modern features, but those come at a price, often well above that of the TW200, and may be more bike than some riders need. The TW200's niche is its niche, and it plays it well, a friendly, transparent bike with a personality all its own. Whether you're commuting around town, hitting the trail on weekends, or just looking for a beginner-friendly rig that will grow with you, the TW200 delivers a unique blend of reliability, ease, and adventure. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow riders, and subscribe to Bike Blaze Pro for the latest reviews and motorcycle insights. Drop a comment below on what bike you want us to feature next. We're always listening and love hearing from you.